Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beard trimmers in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK3045. The Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK3045 our pick for the best budget beard trimmer. Braun Multi-Grooming Kits have made it easier than ever for men to shape and contour their facial hair efficiently. This kit comes with several useful items including an electric trimmer and numerous combs. It is the definitive collection for bearded men who want to look their best at all times. If you're trying to stay within a tight budget, this trimmer set is incredible. The overall deal that you won't want to overlook. It is one of the best cordless trimmers on the internet. This kit includes a powerful and precise electric trimmer as well as a traditional Gillette razor that uses unique flex ball technology combs. There's an LED that tells you when you need the device to be charged. The electric trimmer has hair clipping abilities. It is easy for cleaning. Whether you need to trim, edge shave, or even clip, this kit offers everything that you need, effective for everyone. Every man who wants to maintain their facial hair can benefit from this kit, including those with particularly long hair. The 5 different attachments that are included in this kit allow you to effectively tackle stubble, contour facial hair, or get a nice clean shave. This multi-Grammy kit has everything you could need. This very comprehensive personal grooming kit who helped you stay looking great. The best notable features are 7 precision styling jobs in one device, lifetime lasting power and sharp blades, 8-hour charging capacity, fully washable for easy cleaning under running water. 4. Panasonic Wet and Dry Cordless Electric Beard and Hair Trimmer. This Panasonic beard and hair trimmer are capable of cutting wet or dry hair, making it an extremely useful and versatile device with many different trimming options and stainless steel blades. It is one of the most first-style devices of its kind available. You won't have to deal with the irritation and other issues that plagued so many beard trimmers. Cordless operation functions perfectly on wet or dry skin without the use of a cord. Ergonomic design, easy to handle and comfortable to use even for long periods. You can use this trimmer with a completely dry face or in the shower without any problems. This trimmer is designed for comfortable and firm grip, low maintenance. This trimmer lets the water go through freely for quick and easy cleaning. Anyone can use this facial hair trimmer without any complications. Just turn it on, selecting the length that you want, and start trimming. This Panasonic beard trimmer has a completely waterproof design, so you can use it in the shower when you're getting ready to work. If you want to get a fast and clean shave to save yourself time in the morning, this is a great option. The best notable features are durable and ultra-sharp trimmer blades, a quick adjust dial, lightweight, ergonomic design with rubberized grip, easy to control, trim hair dry or in the shower, waterproof and 100% washable. Number 3. Philips Norelco One-Blade Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver. Philips Norelco One-Blade Hybrid Electric Trimmer and Shaver can trim, edge and shave the hair on your face and body quickly and thoroughly. There are 3 different combs, 1 mm for tight trims, 3 mm for stubble, and 5 mm for a long stubble. You can get all of your grooming needs, men, whatever they may be. If you are sick and tired of dealing with razor burn when shaving, you will find that this device is a one-of-a-kind innovation backed with potential the redness and irritation. This trimmer can be charged up for convenient cordless use, dual-sided blade. This device is designed to go with the natural contours of your face for comfortable and effective results. After it is charged for 24 hours, this device can last up to 4 months if you shave 2 times per week. Replacing blades is very quick and easy. This hybrid trimmer is designed to function with the least resistance to minimize irritation. Multi-function. It has a compact design which traveling with it very easy. The long-lasting battery means that you only have to deal with charging it every few months. You can use this hybrid trimming device in both wet and dry environments. It has an incredibly sturdy design that is honestly quite impressive. This product can satisfy all of your grooming requirements so that you don't have to keep 3 different devices in your bathroom. The best notable features are perfect for any length of hair. Replaceable, one blade lasts up to 4 months. Rechargeable. Include the dual-sided blade. Can perform both wet and dry environments. Number 2. Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer BT 7215/49. The Philips Norelco is well known for producing an impressive line of beard trimmers including the BT 7-15. This particular model has a unique vacuum system built in that catches most of the hair that is cut. The sheer efficiency of the design of this device is unparalleled and there is no other trimmer quite like it. This sophisticated hair trimmer comes with multiple heads and combs that can be easily switched in now. It is a very good deal when you consider everything that you get with this product. Each comb performs a different function and there are plenty to choose from. The sleek and modern chrome design of this trimmer makes it look great. Its powerful lithium-ion battery in this trimmer is a big part of what makes it so powerful and effective. You won't have to deal with much of a mess after each use. Long battery life. This trimmer can be used for up to 80 minutes before requiring any charging. Comfortable. The excellent grip that this trimmer offers means that you can use it as long as you want without any discomfort. A nice aesthetic. The chrome finish and overall design makes this facial hair trimmer look quite impressive. If you are searching for a great vacuum beard trimmer, this one is head and shoulders above most of the other models on the market. The best notable features are the high-velocity motor and fan, with innovative lift and trim technology, the self-sharpening steel blades, 20 built-in length settings, advanced lithium-ion, cordless use. Number 1. Wall Clippers Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Plus Beard Trimmers for Men. The Wall Clippers Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Plus Beard Trimmers for Men has been a well-respected brand name in men's grooming devices for nearly 100 years. Now, this stainless steel beard trimmer is an all-in-one solution for men who want to keep their facial hair looking clean and respectable. This beard trimmer is designed for use for the 100-volt and 220 volts. So, you can use it anywhere in the world for attachment heads. When you order this trimmer you will get 4 attachment heads. There's a wide T-blade for trimming beards and mustaches, a rotary head for ear and nose hairs, a detail shaver for achieving a very distinguished look and a precision. There are 13 different cutting lengths to choose from. The lithium-ion 2.0 design of this trimmer means that it takes 1 hour to charge and lasts a very long time. The overall design of this beard trimmer easy to achieve the right look. The numerous attachment heads that come with this trimmer make it very easy to customize the look of your facial hair. Durability. This trimmer has a very solid stainless steel design with high-quality interior parts, making it long-lasting and reliable. The carbon steel blades also make this device impressively sturdy. The simple but effective design combined with rugged durability makes it an excellent choice for the average bearded gentleman. It is the ultimate beard trimming kit and it will make life easier than ever for you to look your best. The best notable features are self-sharpening precision blades, easily used for all hair types and length, complete grooming system, perfect for all facial hairstyles, dual voltage. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.